Hello children, I hope you are healthy and safe at home. Today we will talk about chapter number 2, profit and loss. To understand profit and loss, first of all you will have to understand about money. So we will start from money. In this session I will tell you about introduction of money and conversion of money. So let's start from introduction. People have been buying and selling things for thousands of years. People did not use coins for money. Instead of that, they used other objects. People simply traded something they had for a different item that someone else had. For example, there were different type of peoples like weavers, cobblers, farmers and tailors. If the cobbler need the vegetable, he just go to the farmer and ask for vegetable, and he was ready to exchange his sleeper with vegetable. If farmer need the sleeper, he was ready to exchange the vegetable with sleeper. But the farmer did not need new sleeper every day. So when the next day the cobbler go to the farmer to ask for vegetable, he was not ready to take sleeper and didn't give the vegetable. Now it was a situation when the cobbler did not get vegetable which he need. The question arises that if the other people will not ready to exchange their goods, how the people will get the thing which they need. In 6th century BC, first coin design of fixed rate and value from metals. The metals were gold, silver and copper. King Sher Shah Suri issued silver coins stamped as rupaya. This word rupaya have taken from the Sanskrit word rupaya. After independence, the Indian rupee replaced all the currencies which have been issued earlier. Now, what is the meaning of this word currency? Currency means the money used in a particular country is called its currency. The Indian rupee is the official currency of India. Reserve Bank of India issued coin and notes which was like this, and in present days the notes looks like this. Now conversion of money. First, convert rupee to paise. How you can convert rupee to paise? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. To convert rupee into paise, we multiply rupees by 100. For example, just look at this question. If want to convert rupees 46.94 to paise, what we will do? We will just use this formula, rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. We will just write 46.94 is equal to rupees 46 plus 94 paise, means 94 paise. So we have to convert only rupees 46 because 94 is already in paise. So we will multiply 46 by 100 paise because 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So 46 rupees will be equal to 46 multiplied by 100 paise, and then add 94 paise. In the next step, we will just get 4600 paise plus 94 paise, and it will be 4694 paise, which can be written like this using comma. Now convert paise to rupees. How we can convert paise to rupees? To convert paise into rupees, we divide by 100. For example, just look at this question. If we want to convert 3450 paise to rupees, what we will do? Actually, we are having two ways to solve this question. First of all, we will just write 3450 paise is equal to 3400 paise plus 50 paise, and we can convert 3400 paise into rupees. It will be 34 multiplied by 100 paise plus this will be as it is, and then 34 multiplied by 100 paise means 34 rupees, and 50 paise will be as it is, and at the result we will get rupees 34.50. In another way, we can just divide 3450 paise by 100. As we know, if we have to convert any number into any fraction into decimal number which having 10, 100, 1000 and so on as a denominator, what we do, we just count the number of zeros and write the numerators, and how much number of zeros we are having in denominator, we just count the numbers from the right side and put the point. So here 2 number of zeros are, so we will count 2 from the right side, 1, 2 and put the point over here. Then we will get the answer rupees 34.50. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helps you to understand about money, like this video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.